Molweni. Lesson 2. You will remember that in lesson 1 we covered the greeting, Molo, Molweni, state of health, Kunjani, Unjani, and the responses, Ndiphilile, etc. Comments about life, Kushushu, Kuyabanda, Ndiagodola, Ndilambile. Name and surname, Gubani igama lakho, Gubani ifani yakho, and the responses, how to introduce yourself. Ndingu gqirha so and so, Ndingu mfundisi wenu, I am your lecturer. In this lesson we look at the student's place of origin, home, physical address where he or she is currently residing, contact details, telephone, email address, student number, and some family details. Firstly then, the place of origin. Liphi ikhaya lakho? Liphi ikhaya lakho? Where is your home? Liphi, where is it? Ikhaya, the home, lakho, of yours. Ikhaya lam lisemthatha. Ikhaya lam lisemthatha. The home of mine, it is in Umtata. Alternatively, usukaphi. Usukaphi. Suka literally means to move away from. So where have you moved away from in order to get here? Ndisuka eMonti. Ndisuka eMonti. I have moved away from East London, or I come from East London. Place of residence, where you are currently residing. You hlala, stay. Phi, where? Uhlalaphi. Uhlalaphi. And a student could respond by saying Ndihlala New Brighton. I live in New Brighton, or Erez. In order to establish the physical address, you could ask the following. Uhlala ndawoni. So instead of asking uhlala phi, you now ask uhlala ndawoni, because ndawoni means where exactly. So you stay exactly where? Apha, here, eBhayi. Uhlala ndawoni apha eBhayi. Ndihlala, I live Central, in Central. And what is your address there? Ithini i-adresi yakho eCentral? Ithini i-adresi yakho eCentral? Literally, what does your address in Central say? I-adresi yam ithi, it says 23 Stanley Street. Or a possible alternative response could be Ndihlala Stanley Street. I live in Stanley Street, kwa number 23. So uhlala ndawoni, or ithini i-adresi yakho? Responses: i-adresi yam ithi so and so, or ndihlala dot dot dot. Contact details. First of all, the telephone number. Ithini i-phone number yakho? Ithini i-phone number yakho? Ekhaya. What is your phone number at home? Emsebenzini, at work. Ekhaya, emsebenzini. Cell phone. The number is given as inamba yam ithi dot dot dot, and often you would ask a person to repeat that. Nceda, please. Phinda, repeat, say it again. So that covers the telephone. Ekhaya, at home. Emsebenzini, at work. Email. Unayo email? Unayo, do you have email? Unayo email? Ewe ndinayo, the affirmative. Yes, I do have. Ewe ndinayo. Hayi andinayo. Andinayo, I do not have it. And what is your email address? Ithini i-adresi yakho ye-email? Ithini i-adresi yakho ye-email? Or the person could ask, Ithini i-email adresi yakho? Ithini i-email adresi yakho? Finally, sithini i-student number sakho? Sithini i-student number sakho? So we've inquired about phone number, email, and student number. The people at home. So in addition to asking uhlala pi or uhlala ndawoni, where or exactly where do you stay, we now ask uhlala nabani, with whom do you stay? Uhlala nabani, and some responses would be all beginning with ndihlala, ndihlala, ndihlala nabazali, with my parents. No makulu, with my grandmother. No makazi, with my aunt on my mother's side. Married person, nomyeni wam, with my husband. Nenkosikazi yam, with my wife, or literally my queen. Nefemeli yam, or nosapo, with my family. Nosapo being the purer, more refined isiXhosa term. Ndihlala ndedwa, I live alone. Or ndiyazihlalela, I live literally for myself, alone. So ndihlala nabazali, nomakhulu, nomakazi, nomyeni, nenkosikazi, the wife or queen, nefemeli or nosapho, ndedwa, alone, or ndiyazihlalela, I fend for myself. And then finally, in addition to asking usukapi, where do you come from, uhlalapi, where do you stay, ithini i-adresi yakho, what is your address, ithini i-phone number, or ithini i-email adresi yakho, what is your email address, uhlala ndawoni, where exactly do you stay, uhlala nabani, with whom do you stay, as well as the responses. We now ask, ni bangapi ekhaya, how many are there of you at home? The little word ngapi asks how many ekhaya, at home, and the ni refers to you all. So just me, ndim dedwa, just me. Siba bini, siba tatu, siba ne, siba hlanu, siba bini 2, siba tatu 3, siba ne 4, siba hlanu 5. Good, that concludes this lesson, and we will be revising this in the follow-up video to this. Enkosi kakhulu.